guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my favorites for the past month. Honestly, I've been on a mission recently to get my skin like back in shape because for so long I was not really caring. So a lot of this stuff is skincare, but there are makeup products in here too. A lot of really, really good stuff. So yeah, if you wanna see what I've been really digging the past month, then just keep on watching and let's just get right into it. First product, I'm gonna start with some skincare. This is the Foreo Luna 2, and I don't know if I'm saying that right, so I'm sorry if I'm not. It might be like Foreo, I don't know. I think it's Foreo. But I got this at Sephora. I really wanted to get like something because I felt like my fingers just weren't getting the job done when it came to cleansing my face. So I got this. This is the one for normal to dry skin, or normal to sensitive, I'm pretty sure. And I don't know, it was weird because like it didn't come with a charger and like the whole thing came, like the box was like open from Sephora. Really weird. Still trying to get a charger for this, but it came charged. So basically like I just put the like cleanser on here and then just like work it into my skin, and literally like I see such a difference in my skin. I'm so glad that I bought it. I feel like it's less abrasive than a Clarisonic and just really, really gets in there. And like I know it feels weird, but like it's just got like these like little like things. Like I don't know what to call them, but like it gets the job done, I'm telling you. So yeah, I've been really, really liking this. I need to get a charger though. And it is kind of expensive, I'm not gonna lie. It took me forever to like actually spend the money on it, but I really, really, really am happy that I did. Just gotta get that charger, but this thing is no joke, I'm telling you. It's really, really good, like for real. Okay, so back to skincare. This I wanna do all together, even though they're 3 separate products. These are all of the Drunk Elephant. So this is the day serum, the night serum, and then this is the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. And ever since I started using these products, I swear that my skin, like literally like 2 days of using this, and I was like, oh my God, my skin is amazing. Like I kept talking, I'm like, look at my skin, look at my skin. I'm like, touch it to my roommate, because seriously, like these products are amazing. This one, like I'm trying so hard to like not use like any of it because it's like, it's so expensive. Like all of these products are ridiculously expensive. I seriously, like, I need to buy the full size because like at this point, it's like, I know that it works, and it works so well that it makes me want to do my skincare. Like I look forward to it, which is really important for me because otherwise I just won't do it. Like that, I have to know myself well enough to know that if I'm not like crazy about my skincare routine, then I'm not gonna do it. I'm just like, I'm that type of person. So this I use in the daytime. I wash with the Foreo, and then I tone and essence, and then I put this vitamin C day serum on, and then I put this on, and then my eye cream. I like to put this on before my eye cream because I feel like it like helps everything absorb. I don't know. And then this night cream or night serum obviously is the one I use at night with this as well. The night serum I like a lot more than the day serum. It's not even heavy, but it just like, it feels like it's like doing more. Why do I have so many telemarketers calling me recently? Like, leave me alone. Also, I posted on Instagram. I posted just like a little thing when I got this stuff, and I was like, oh yeah, like I'm excited to try this. That was probably the most replies I've ever gotten posting like a product before. So many of you guys were like, this is my favorite thing ever. Oh my God, this stuff is amazing. Even a good friend of mine replied to me and said that she likes this stuff, and she literally doesn't like anything. And I was like, wow, if she says she likes this, that means it's good. If you can like spring some money on good skincare, try this stuff. It's good. I literally am living my life by it recently. Oh man, they're expensive. They're expensive. It's like 80 bucks for this, and then it's like, I'm pretty sure it's like 80 for these two. Like, dude, why? But like, it works. Apparently the ingredients in it make elephants drunk too, which I think is kind of funny. That's why it's called Drunk Elephant. So I think it's cool. Another skincare kind of thing is this Skin Iceland Self-Foaming Glacial Cleansing Cloths for Eyes. I've been using these as makeup wipes recently, and literally my roommate and I have been like fighting over these because they're so good. They really take off all of my makeup, and they just feel really, really nice. And I am a firm believer in the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, but these ones, dude, they made me change my mind. I'm like, these are where it's at. These are like the best I've ever used, and they're like gentle, and it says they're self-foaming. They have like a little bit of foaminess in them, and they're just really, really nice. Like, I'm not like a makeup wipe trier, experimenter, but this one it's good. Like, I'm definitely gonna be buying another one. I actually got those when we did an Ipsy offer. It was one of them, and like literally, so good. I was thinking to myself, like, I'm probably never gonna buy these again, but I know that they're sick. But like, now that I use them every night, I'm like, I'm definitely buying those again. 100% buying those again, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, so that was everything I had for skincare. Let's move on to makeup. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna go in random order. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder in the shade 725 Buff Beige. I actually tried this for the first time in my full face of first impressions of CoverGirl, and I used this as like a face powder, but they sent me like all of the color range, and this one is darker. Originally, I looked at it and I was like, ooh, that might be like a really good nose contour shade. So I started contouring my nose with this, and then I realized, wait a second, this would be a good bronzer shade. And I know it looks super light, but it literally is just perfect for me. And it makes my skin look really, really airbrushed because it has coverage in it, and it just makes my skin look really, really perfect. Honestly, like, I'm really happy I started using this as a bronzer. I don't like to set my entire face, so that's why I'm not using it as a face powder, just as a bronzer, because I like to keep my face as like dewy and like fresh looking as possible. And I find that powdering my face, since I have dry skin, just isn't the best. But this stuff, dude, it's so good, and it's Drugstore. I was like, I'm so down for this. It really just like, I swear it's just like airbrush looking. I don't know. Next product I have to talk about is, and okay, I think I might have spoken about this before in another favorites video, but honestly, like, I don't even care because it needs another mention because it's my favorite like thing ever. This is the Essence Color Correcting Mattifying Powder. I know you guys see me use this all the time in like all of my videos. I took a break from using it for a long time because I was using the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I don't remember what it's called, Flawless Finish something. But I went back to using this because the Charlotte Tilbury one was just, I was just started creasing again, and I used it and I was like, oh my God. I was like, why did I stop using this? Like, this is the best powder ever. I swear it just like airbrushes my under eyes perfectly, and it's like, it doesn't make me crease, it doesn't like settle and like look gross. I never look like old under my eyes because of this powder and because of the color correcting, which honestly, like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if it actually color corrects, but it makes my skin look amazing, my under eyes. So like, I just can't stress it enough. You guys like seriously should try this if you're like me and like you have a really hard time with powder under your eyes. This powder changed my life, and I'm never ever ever going back. I swear. You're gonna see me using this forever. It's like my Maybelline concealer. Like, this, it's sticking with me. I stay loyal to the things I love, I tell you. Another Drugstore product, I have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I'm in the shade 125 Nude Beige. So this is actually an older foundation, and I hadn't used this in a really long time, and recently, like I said, like, my skin hasn't been really good, and like, I was just like, I need to just try a new foundation, like, not new, but like go back in my drawer and just start using like my old stuff and see what I like. And I never was a big fan of this, but recently it just like looks really good on my skin. And I don't know how to explain it, but this with this and the Maybelline concealer and this together, it just like does miracles. And I know it says matte, and I know I have dry skin, but it's like, it's not like a gross matte. It's just like matte in a way where it's like, I don't even want to say it's matte, but it is matte. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it works on my dry skin, and it just makes my skin look really airbrushed. I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, moving on. Also, if you've used any of these products, let me know how they work for you, because I'm always curious. I always am like so mind blown when I love a product so much, and then someone's like, I used that product and I hated it. And I'm like, how is that possible? But I'm curious, so let me know. This is the Pixi by Petra Glowy Glossame Duo in the shade Delicate Dew. And okay, so it looks like I haven't used this that much, but honestly, like, it's so like pigmented that I don't need to use a lot of it. I've actually been more into this shade than this shade because I'm not really into gold highlights, but this one's really pretty too. Let me give you a swatch. It literally, first of all, oh my God, it feels so nice. When I tried this for the first time, I was literally like, oh my God, this is like an amazing highlight. Look at that. It literally, it's so pretty. I can't even, it reminds me of kind of like Fire Crystal, or not Fire Crystal, the Fenty highlighter that like one of them's Fire Crystal, Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. It reminds me of that, but without the glitteriness, because sometimes the Fenty one I feel like is a little glittery, but this one is not at all. It's so beautiful, and I actually have it on top of my highlight right now, just like the tiniest bit, because a little bit goes so far with this stuff. It's intense. Pixi has been killing it recently. All of their products I've been loving. Like seriously, I'm just like blown away by their products. But this highlighter seriously like needs more attention because it's intense. Like seriously. I think it's newer too, but it's really nice. I love this so much. Another highlighter, but a little bit more high end. This is the Too Faced Love Light in the shade Blinded by the Light. First of all, the packaging is adorable on this. I love it so much. It's actually like probably one of my favorite highlighted packages I've ever seen. It's so cute. I've kind of destroyed this one a little bit. I've been using this pretty much every day, and if I use this one recently, I've been using this one as a base because this one's super intense, but this one is a little more subtle. It still has a nice pop to it, but it's just like a little bit more subtle. It's so hard to see because my whole hand is like highlighted now, but all of this in this area is the Too Faced highlighter. It's super like, it's intense, but at the same time, it's not like, I don't know how to explain it because it is blinding, but at the same time, it's not like obnoxiously blinding where some highlights are like, okay, girl, like you need to chill. Even though like there's never too much highlight, but like this one is just a really good everyday highlight, but it's really buildable so that it can be really intense. I feel like I'm not describing this in a way that makes it like sound really good, but like genuinely this has like been one of my favorite highlights recently. It's just like has such a nice color, and I'm noticing that I always go for highlights out of this shade. It's like not gold and not champagne. What is this color? I don't even know. I love this highlight so much, both of these. So this is like an affordable one and this is more of a high-end one, but both of them are amazing. I tell you, I promise I'm not lying to you. I don't know why I have so many Pixi products in this, but I still have 2 more Pixi products. I'm not gonna lie to you. This one is the Pixi by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pastel Petal, and this is actually the liquid lipstick I have on now, but I do have something on top of it, so I'll talk about that next. But this liquid lipstick, I've been loving it so much. I've been wearing it all of the time. I actually wore it in my last favorites video, and I almost talked about it, but I was like, no, it's too soon, Like I haven't worn it that many times, but I love this so much. I actually like all of their other shades too, but specifically the shade Pastel Petal is like perfect like neutral for me, where it's like not too dark and not too light. It's just perfect in between, and it's pretty like skin toned, but like not, you know what I mean? I don't know, I really like this. The formula is really nice. It has a really cool applicator. Actually, I'll give you a swatch on its own since I do have something on top of it. First of all, look at this applicator. Ooh, it's like a doe foot kind of, and it applies really nicely because you can get a good line with it. But here's a swatch of the color. It's got some pink in it, and like I said, like Pastel Petal, that's actually a really good name for it. Like it's like really cute. I'm bad at describing colors, but I really like this. It's like a really nice thin formula. It's not too matte where it like dries out your lips, but it's definitely matte. So it's like that in between where you're just like not like dehydrated. It feels hydrating, and Pixi makes some really good lip products. Like my favorite of all time lip gloss is their Lip Lift Max in the shade Sheer Rose. I literally am running out of it. It's my favorite thing ever. Another Pixi product. This is the Pixi by Petra Lip Icing in the shade Cake. I'm not sure if they have other shades because one of you guys told me that they didn't, but I don't know. But this is actually by Chloe Morello. I just realized that. I never even noticed that before. But this is like a lip topper. So I actually have this on the liquid lipstick that I'm wearing now. I literally just take it and I like clean the foot of it, or the applicator, and I take it and I just put it right here and right here on like the cushions of my lips, and then right on the Cupid's bow, and that's the only place that I put it, and it's so pretty. It takes like any like matte liquid lipstick or any lipstick or a gloss if you wanna just give it more like oomph. It's just a lip topper, and it's so cute. Okay, hang on. Let me give you a swatch. It's so hard to swatch these things because like, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't show up on a swatch, but I'm gonna swatch it on top of that liquid lipstick that I swatched for you earlier, so you can kind of get my drift. So here's the actual swatch of the product by itself. It's really, it's like clear kind of and has like gold, like glitteriness in it, but not like too glittery. And then the top is where I added a little bit in the center. As you can see, like it's not like super glossy, like it's not thick, but it just gives that sheen as if you have a gloss on, which I love so much because I like my lips to just have like a little bit more of like a dimension to them. So I feel like this gives that perfect dimension that I always want. And like, you don't have to reapply it. Like, it's just like, it's really, really good. It's really good. I really like it. So you should try this. Like, it's at Target and like, I don't know, Pixie has my heart recently. I don't know what it is, but they have some really, really, really good products and they're all affordable. So that's also really important to me too, because Lord knows, we're on a budget here. All right, you guys, this video went by so fast. I literally feel like I've been sitting here for 2 minutes, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what your favorites have been for the past month or even longer. I'm actually trying to buy some new makeup right now because I feel like I've been like sticking to these so much that I'm like, all right, it's time to like expand my horizons. So I think I'm gonna make a Sephora order soon. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorites have been, what you think I should try. Let me know if you've tried any of these and what you think of them. I'm always curious. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget, you can follow me on my other social medias. I have it all linked down below and I will have all of these products linked down below as well. So you can check out those. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.